Hello Mami! Another day, another vlog with me! And here's to a day in the life of a 27-year-old content creator, affiliate, online seller, and a public school teacher. Mga Mi, good morning! So, it's Thursday today and yes, papasok na tayo. Antayin ko lang si BF kasi siya mag-aagid sa akin today. Let's go! Ito na tayo sa school. Napakaagat ko kung ang estudyante. Ito naman tayo sa faculty. And, well, nagre-record tayo sa e-class. Kain muna tayo. Sopas. And, may baon ako dito. Nagbaon ako ng cookies. At yung binibenta ni sister ko. Sobrang sarap nito talaga. Yung sobrang sarap. Ano? Sarap na ito. Gutom ang person, kaya na take 2 tayo ng sopas. And then eat again. Grabe naman, gutom ang person. Let's eat.
Ano to? Anong programa to? Dance, no?
Good morning, everyone. I am your host, Julie Krisha, and I am Danica. And welcome to Spotlight Central! Akin yan!
Hi, Mommy! Welcome back to another episode of Ate Leatos. Today, the spotlight is brighter than ever because we've got the stars you've all been waiting for.
Can you hear what I'm hearing? Oh, it's here! It's time to exhibition! Stop! What's up? What's hot? And what's extreme? I'm your hot queen, your manifest with honors, your one and only Priscilla. The voice of truth. My name is Princess Laika C. Avalos, and guiding you through all of your hopes. The voice of sports ideas, the smile that lights up the screen.
Hey, I'm home na. So, dahil Thursday ngayon, today is church day as well. That's why, magpapahinga lang tayo ng konti and then we will get ready now for church. Bye.